Okay, NER, I thought I'd make a better video this time to go over what I want to talk about. I've been thinking about this new tool that Shahid is working on, and I'm sure he's thinking about the publishing phase. The publishing phase, was once we've done the translation, then what? Right now we bring up the each source and we translate it with an online editor, but then once that's all done and everything's beautiful, then we have to publish. Currently, with the Transifex tool, the publishing includes what I think is just a snippet of code where the source and the target are lined up, and then when users go to that page, they click on the built-in drop-down menu. If they pick French, then all the French terms are just loaded in right there. Um, yes, when we want to do that so that we can sell that service. But there's another purpose that we need this for as well, and that's for doing online documents. Here is a Word doc. This is in Google Docs, right? So we can bring up Microsoft Word documents in this, or we can use other platforms that open up Word docs. And we want to have an editor here as well that connects to Verbingo. But here it would be different. Obviously, here maybe we could parse the text again so that each of these segments is selected, or maybe we don't. Maybe we have the user cut and paste what he needs. But either way, we need to have some kind of interaction where the source is parsed and then cut and paste it in, or paste it into an online editor where it's then processed with Verbingo. If there's any matching, it comes up. If there's any highlighted words or key terms, they're brought up. The translation is performed there in the online editor in live environment, and then maybe it's pasted back in. Maybe the translator has to paste themselves, and that's fine because then they have total control of the document and they can save, they can use tools as they need, and that might be a good way to do it. But there's no publishing to a snippet of code. That doesn't need to happen. It needs to interact directly with the document. Here's another example with screen steps. This is an actual tool that one of our clients uses. Instructure uses this, so we needed to figure out something. But here, they display articles in this online editor, and you simply click to go through the levels here, and there are these levels that have this type of interaction, and maybe here we have the user cut and paste. I don't know. But there's also this one here in yellow, which brings up the more of a complex thing. So maybe again we have cutting and pasting. I don't know, but this online interaction is vastly different than this one. So I'd like you to have Shahid think about that, because these are two problems that exist, and we can solve these problems with something here. Maybe a browser-based, maybe a Chrome-based extension or something, where a user can essentially grab anything they want and have it translated or connected to Verbingo, and then they paste it back in. That might be the solve all problem for these, or response to all these issues. Anyway, that's what I wanted to go over, and so you and Shahid can be aware of the two needs for this tool. And I think once we get these needs solved, we will have a platform that will last a long, long, long time, because I think everything is going to be browser-based for the next little while. Anyway, we can talk later, but let me know what questions you may have. Thanks.